Hi, it's Matt Slingngt here from Sling Aircraft North America, and we are so excited at AirVenture Oshkosh 2026 to announce that our popular slingngt trainer is now available as a MOSAIC compliant airplane. So from next month, we are going to be shipping MOSAIC compliant slingngts. These aircraft can now have a 1,540 pound max gross, which means we have over 600 pounds of useful load. So for flight schools, almost any student and instructor pairing, full tanks with a more than 8-hour endurance, the ballistic parachute installed is all within the capabilities of this airplane. Also in the MOSAIC compliant slingngt is the Garmin Axis flight display as standard. The next generation of electronic flight displays in the next generation of flight training airplanes to train the next generation of pilots. We couldn't be more excited to partner with Garmin on this. Also with MOSAIC, we now have IFR flight into IMC. We've been teaching pilots to fly instruments in IFR in VMC conditions, but under MOSAIC we can now fly into IMC and give our students a real experience of IFR flying in actual conditions. Right now we already have about 20 flight schools across North America that have selected the slingngt as their training platform, and we anticipate this to grow, and we anticipate the numbers that flight schools are operating to grow. So to enhance the safety and to uplift the level of standardization in the Sling operator community, at Oshkosh this year, we've also launched the Sling Safety Network. Sling Safety Network is a training, standardization, and credentialing system to allow flight instructors, mechanics, flight schools, and service centers to get accredited to a standard, qualified by Sling Aircraft North America to a standard that will make sure that our user experience and overall fleet safety across North America is enhanced. One of the biggest revolutions in general aviation in many decades. We're excited to help look to the future with the next generation of flight training aircraft to make flying safer, more enjoyable, more efficient, more cost-effective, and ultimately to have better outcomes than ever before.